Hey everyone. So we're at the Monsters Inc. show, and if you've ever done the show, you know it's very interactive. Where this is like the least amount of people I've ever seen. So I think the chances of one of us being on the show is probably pretty good. Check this out. We have only about 20 people here. We have 20 odd people here, and some of them are odder than others.
Yeah. Look who's talking. I'm not filming.
By the way, my name is Alan. Welcome to Kindred Souls of America. So we're here with Brendan and Sarah. How you doing? From all the way from Tampa.
Long 2-hour drive.
That's a long 2-hour drive. Like us from Sarasota. Right?
Yeah.
So our chances are good of being on the show. What do you think? I mean, it's only about 20 people. I hope you get to be.
I feel my chances are pretty good.
Are you going to buy churros for everybody?
If it comes to it,
I'll make sure of it. I'll make sure.
Okay. Sounds like a plan. Thank you. All right. That's a new one. There's the girl with the Judy Hopps.
What? No way. Hey, that
Phillies
nice human
fan.
with a P on his hat is gonna buy us churros. Let's hear it. All right. That's so nice of you. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm Buddy Boyle. I'm one of the monsters here at the lab floor. I am gonna warm you up for the monster of ceremonies. He's little and green and he only has one eye. So if you know his name, shout it out super duper loud.
Mike Wazowski.
That's right, it's Mike Wazowski. Oh, is anyone in the audience named Mike? Raise your hand if your name is Mike, please. Any Mikes? Let's see, there's the mics that work here. Hi, mics that work here. Okay, that's our mic check. We got a couple laughs and a laugh camera on our way. Now something you need to... That's Mike who works here. Hi, Mike who works here. Yay! Mike who works here. Mike who works here. Their name is Mike. At least that's what they told us. But I don't think that's true. Whoa! Give it up for Mike, the dancer!
Hey.
Mike, you dance so well. I'm gonna call you Alex. Okay, that's what I'm gonna call you. Because Alex is a good dancer. Okay, one more thing. When a monster says, "Hello, humans," your job is to throw your hands in the air and to scream really, really loud. Let's try it. Hello, humans! Hello, humans! All right, everybody say rise. Let's do this. Let's do this. Sick moves, Alec.
See that giant canister? That's where we collect your laughter. The more you laugh, the more power we collect. The less you laugh, well, we may not have enough power to open the exit doors.
Uh-oh.
I can tell we're off to a great start.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the lab floor. And now, make some noise for your monster of ceremonies, me, Mike Wazowski. Hello, humans. Oh, very good. I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the lab floor. Now, this is your first time in the monster world. There are a few things you should know. Like if I said, "You stink" to that guy,
It's Brendan.
be a compliment. You're welcome, sir. See, now we're after your laughter. So the only one here who might make you scream would be Roz. We like to call Roz the face that launched 1,000 lunches. Hey, why did the chicken cross the road? To get away from Roz! She's up on the screen, isn't she?
Wazowski, you better fill the can this time, or else.
Or else what?
Or else this.
Okay, folks. Phew. Are you ready for our first act?
Yay!
Sam and Ella!
Hello, human!
Yay!
Very nice, very nice. Hello, my name is Sam. This is my sister Ella. Together we're Sam and Ella. It's fun. No, it's good, yeah. Now, we're here because my sister Ella is, of course, an expert in geography.
The human world!
Of the human world? Wait a minute.
Yeah.
You don't know the human world.
Well, I did until I got this map. Look at this map, Sam. It's full of chock full of information.
Okay.
Now you've memorized everything. Ask me the capital of the human country.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. Humans, yell out the name of a human country, please.
Greece.
Greece. I heard Greece.
Okay, the capital of Greece is G.
Yay!
I can't take all the credit. It's a really good map.
All right. Well, let's test you further. Let's go ahead and talk to some real-life humans. We'll find out where they live. Well, it could be anyone.
Yeah, except for that guy.
Except for, oh.
Yeah, you relax that guy. Yeah, you're that guy. That's a big job.
Yeah, all right. Well, other than that guy, humans, raise your hands high in the air if you know where you live. You should all know where you live, by the way. Everyone
You know.
should have their hand up. Let's go over on this side, shall we? I see a human sort of in the middle of the theater. Well, they're all sort of in the middle of the theater. But this human right here, her hand is high in the air, very confident. Hello there. We are Sam and Ella. What is your name?
Danielle,
Danielle. And where are you from, Danielle?
New York.
Daniel, oh, I love New York. Oh my, it's a popular tropical island destination, Sam. Yeah, it's floating around out in the Pacific Ocean. Oh, it's amazing. It's famous for the Eiffel Tower.
Danielle, is that correct?
Can't change my mind. I want to talk to that guy.
Come on. No. We're going to go home. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
No. You know what? Now I just embarrassed myself in front of Danielle. I got to make this right. Let me try now. Let's talk to these two humans over on this side.
Oh.
Yeah,
right in front of us.
It's gonna be great.
All right, we'll talk to these two humans. Hello, what are your names?
Hazel,
Hazel.
Yumiko,
Hazel and Yumiko. Where are you from, Hazel and Yumiko?
Columbus, Ohio.
Okay, Columbus, Ohio. Got this. Okay, Columbus, Ohio is the largest desert country in the entire world. Yeah, it's located right next to Brazil, and it's famous for the Eiffel Tower.
Another Eiffel Tower.
No, it's the same one that's on wheels. They push it around.
Oh, Hazel, Yumiko, is that correct?
For sure.
That's impressive.
Hey, here's something else I know about. I know the Colombianese national theme song. Yeah,
really?
Yeah, it goes a little something like this. Oh, Columbus is a place you want to go. You can hang out with my friends, Hazel and Yumiko. They'll meet you at the airport with some flowers. They picked on a Danielle's Eiffel Tower.
My sister Ella.
Weren't they great, folks? Weren't they great? Let's see how they did. Oh! 15 gigawatts! Looking good! Okay, this next act is almost as funny as a monkey in a tutu. The monkey wasn't available. He's my buddy. He's your buddy. He's Buddy Boyle!
Hello, human. All right, everybody remembered. Even that guy. Good job, that guy. Well, as you all know, I am Buddy Boyle, but what you do not know is that I am a mind-reading monster. That's right, I have telepathic powers. It's true, I was born pathetic, and I will use my patheticness to read the mind of someone in the audience, and there is a human in this audience who is thinking, please don't pick me. Please don't pick me. I picked you. Hi there, I'm Buddy Boyle. What's your name?
Jill.
Correct. Was it Jill or Gio?
Jill.
Jill. Think of a number between 1 and 50. Do you have a number in your head, Jill?
Yes.
Excellent. I will pluck the number from your brain, Jill, reading your mind. But first, please tell the audience the number, so they'll know when I get it right. But don't worry, Jill, I'm going to close my eyes so I can't hear you.
45.
Have you told the audience, Jill?
Yep.
What?
Yes.
What? Hello? Jill? Jill?
Yes.
Jill? Oh, I'm sorry. I had my eyes closed. I couldn't hear you. That's totally my fault. I'm so sorry. Okay, time to get serious. Jill, beam the number to me. Beam it to me with the powers of your mind. Put your hands up to your head. Put your hands up to your head, Jill. That'll help. Yes. Oh, do you have a headache? Are you okay? Right? Oh, I'm so sorry, Jill. My voice is probably not helping. Okay, well, you know what? Mind reading is also good for headache relief. Okay, here, let's have this person, while you're getting a headache, let's have this guy help out. So, Jill's got a headache right now, so you're gonna help us out. What's your name?
Ray.
You can bring the microphone over to him.
Ray.
Ray, do you know Jill?
I do.
Okay, good. You're gonna help Jill out, okay? So, put your hands up to your head and make antennas, because Jill's got a headache, and I want her headache to get better. All right, so now, Ray, you're gonna make this sound. You're gonna go. Jill, thanks, Ray. I have your number. Your number was 45. All right, Jill. I hope you guys are back. Thank you.
Oh, Ross, why'd you do that?
Oops, my finger slipped.
Oh, well, look at that, Ross. The can's half full.
Looks half empty to me. Face it, Wazowski, you'll never fill that can.
Oh, yes, we will. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Just fill the can. But remember, I'm watching. Always watching.
I'm watching, always watching. I'm Ross, and I've got a mole on my
I can still hear you.
Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, performing the jokes you just sent in, my nephew, Marty Wazowski!
Oh, yeah, my big break is finally here! Hello, human!
Yay.
Yeah, hi everyone, I'm Marty Wazowski. Hey, guess what?
What?
Someday I'm gonna go to Monsters University! Yeah, I'm super excited! And I'm gonna practice telling the joke that you just said it, so if you want to hear some, say, oh yeah!
Oh, yeah.
I know, you guys are cool. Okay, here's the first one we got from Brendan from Tampa. Brendan says, what do you call a droid that likes to take the scenic route? Everyone say what? What? R2-D2. And then here's another one. This one came from Carly from New Jersey. Carly says, why do seagulls fly over the sea? Everyone say why? Why? Because if they flew over the bay, you call them bagels. Partners, human kids, raise your hand in the air if you want to be my comedy. Oh, need a minute. There's two kids over on this side that really want to be my comedy partners. Hi. Hey, I'm Marty Wazowski. Hey, wow, that is an impressive tongue. What are your names?
My name is Max.
Hi, Max.
My name is what?
Hi, what? Max and what? Nice job naming them. Hey guys, I have some more jokes and I need some help. Will you be my comedy partners?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, here's the first one. Okay, here's the next one. Sarah from Tampa says, how do you know if a vampire is sick? And you say, how?
How?
From the coffin. And then here's another one. This one came from Hunter from Florida. Hunter says, how come the pilots couldn't play cards? Do you know why?
Why?
The captain was standing on the deck. Hey, do you have any jokes you want to tell to the audience?
No, I don't.
Oh, that's okay. Hey, what are you gonna be when you grow up?
I'm gonna be a football player.
A football player, cool. Hey, you know what? Do you know why the football coach went to the bank?
Why?
To get his quarterback. What about you? What do you want to be?
I want to be a chef.
A chef! That's pretty cool! That's what kind of stuff do you like to cook?
That stuff people like.
Rule one for a chef, cook what people like. You already got it. Do you know what I would want to be if I was a human?
What?
That guy! Thanks for being my comedy partners. You guys are awesome. Bye, everybody. Have a great night.
Okay, let's give a little guy a Okay, what's my new title?
Not you, Wazowski. That guy.
Yay, Brendan!
Give him a big hand.
That's our show. Thanks for your laughter, and goodbye, humans!
Thank you, Tom Mama. Great to see you left. Y'all have a great night.
Good dancing there.
Oh, thank you.
I taped the whole show. You're on there. Congratulations. I got to get your autograph now. And your jokes got in there too. That's awesome. All right, see you in Tampa. Bye. Nice meeting you too. Thanks. So I hope you enjoyed that show. Thanks to Brandon and Sarah. I'm glad they got on the show and their jokes. So hope you enjoyed it. And see you in the next video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. May the force be with you.